Hey everyone, welcome back to RVM-TECH channel. Here's how you can transfer your eSIM from one iPhone to another iPhone. So head to setting, then click on cellular, then click on setup cellular. Make sure your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on both devices, and you will see this pop-up transfer from iPhone. Tap on it, then click on this first option called transfer number. Then click on OK, and you will see a instruction on your old phone. Then click on transfer, then continue on your other iPhone. Click on transfer from iPhone, tap on it, and it will initiate the process. As you can see, you see double click to confirm, so double click, then it will show you ready to transfer. As you can see, transferring phone number, then click on done. Once you click on done, you will see this tower SOS. It's gonna change to tower. Right now it's saying activating, so just be patient. Then after a few seconds you will see the towers. In If you don't see the pop-up, just restart both devices and make sure the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is on. So right now it's activating. As you can see from my old device, the tower has been gone now. So I'm pretty sure, as you can see, the tower has came. So that means the setup has been completed. So it's now active on my this iPhone. So as you can see, it's the tower is on, and as you can see here is SOS. So that's how you transfer your eSIM from one iPhone to another iPhone. If you find this video useful, please like my video and subscribe my channel, or share with your family or friends who are getting hard time to transfer the eSIM from one iPhone to another iPhone. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.